In my last video, I shared about 3 types of content that you need to create in order to build your own content marketing funnel. However, everybody knows about this, then why your content marketing is not working? The reason is because you get stuck at the very first stage of content marketing, that is awareness. Right now, you see people going crazy about tips and tricks that can make their reels go viral, their post go viral. And why do we need that virality? We need the virality in order to make people aware that we exist, our brand exists, and we propose exquisite solution. And this is very crucial because the more and more people will know about your brand, you will have more and more prospects and sale. However, when you are creating any kind of content, this is not the only thing. As I said, there are 3 stages of the funnel. So alongside creating content that you need to go viral, you have to create content that will satisfy the second stage of content funnel and third stage of content funnel. That means you not only need to create virality based content, you need to create content that provides value to your client, authority to you.